So again, we're here at the Yomo Festival, and you were one of a few companies chosen to represent the LA area with 20,000 students. How did that feel?
I mean, it feels amazing. Anytime we get a chance to help kids be better than they was yesterday, that's everything. Because as we journey in our life, we make a lot of mistakes, and we fix our mistakes, and we learn from them. So we getting a chance to give them the fix mistakes early. So to have that opportunity is amazing to me.
So what are you guys doing? What is it that Growing to Greatness in a Wise Way is doing unique compared to everyone else?
What we're doing uniquely is we're the centerpiece of this whole event, being a career hub. And what we're doing is helping kids not only understand themselves, but connect that understanding to a career choice. So that's what we're doing in comparison to everybody else. They got a lot of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math, and ours specifically tie it all together.
So what do you want kids to take away from your program specifically?
What I want them to take away is having the ability to understand themselves to some capacity and connect that understanding to a career. Because when we were young, we going this way, going that way, and we don't know which direction we going. So we have the opportunity to have all these professionals talk to kids at a young age, and then that's what I really want them to take away with. If I want to be a doctor, how do I do it? How do I go that way? If I want to be a lawyer, or if I want to interview people, how do I go about it? And the fact that we're providing the blueprint is what I want them to take away from it.